Today we're going to film a video about
roller skate.
Okay, let's go to the video
For only
now.
beginners.
Yeah, for
that have
beginners.
roller skate. First, no. You're not gonna go like this. You're not gonna go like that. You're gonna go like this. And you're not gonna go like this. Like that. No, that's wrong. You have to go like left, right, left, right, left, right. Just like that.
And the second step is oh no, broken the splits. No. No.
If you're gonna fall down, don't go like this, or like this, or like this. You need to go like this. So that you can protect your head.
Head.
And
And remember, always do
keep your lace proper.
or if you don't, you might trip on your lace.
So you need to put a ribbon so tight. You cannot even put a ribbon, or you can put a ribbon. And if you have roller skate and it has like this, don't use it everywhere because
It's the break.
roller skate, if there's a big rock like that, you may like this, like go like that. So accident may happen. So keep safe. And don't use your roller skate like you're walking, because it will trip you. Like pen, the trick is already here. First you're gonna bend your knee left, right, like a penguin, like this. Left, left, like that. But
Ganda.
and if you already have your balance, you can go like this.
Okay. And always be careful of rocks.
Yes.
If there's any rocks in your path, you should immediately stop.
Like this. And you go get the rock and throw it.
But don't throw it that far because you might hit a stranger.
Yes. And you will cost a lot of money.
Yes.
So my cousin is okay guys, we're back. My cousin will help me practice my balance. So you stay there. We're not gonna talk a little bit, so it's not that noisy. Let's go. Bye guys.
Bye guys. See you tomorrow for the next video.
Next
on
video
how
will-
to
Next video will come like a skateboard.